our Majority Leader, the ladies and gentlemen of the Senate, I rise today on a matter of personal and collective privilege to address a pressing issue of utmost national importance. For far too long, our Filipino people have been left uncertain, confused, deliberately kept in the dark regarding the true intentions behind the continuing and increasingly belligerent efforts to append the new Senate leadership and, worse, to amend the Constitution. The Filipino people deserve clarity. The Filipino people deserve honesty, and above all, the Filipino people deserve at least the truth. Madam President, today I will not rely solely on my own words. I will present before this chamber a short video containing documentation, footage, and statements directly connected to the ongoing efforts toward term extension and charter change. With your permission, therefore, may we now direct the technical team to play the video presentation.
Bakit nagpalit ng liderato sa Senado?
May I be allowed to humbly move to declare all seats vacant, Mr. President?
With 13 affirmative votes, 10 negative votes, and 1 abstention, the positions in all the positions in the Senate is hereby declared vacant.
Bakit ito nilusob? Bakit patuloy ang pananakot?
Talagang garabalan, obvious na obvious, iniisa-isa ang majority.
Bakit may panggigipit?
Pinakakasuhan ng Ombudsman si Senator Rodante Marcoleta ng plunder at indirect bribery.
Bakit may pambabaluktot ng kwento?
Nililito nila ang publiko. Ang kainan ay naganap alas 4 ng hapon. Ang barilan alas 7. Nagmamalaking lang may nangangusta. Si Camille Villar ang unang nag-update. Saka sila nagsi-reply. Last convo, 4 p.m. Next chat, 10 p.m.
Bakit may demolition job? Bakit may pait? Bakit hindi matanggap? Napakaraming bakit. At